We're only a few months away from the MACH exhibition, the UK's national event for inspiring, innovating and connecting manufacturing. But are you part of it?
I mean, this is the manufacturing community. 26,000 people attended MACH last year. We are the biggest manufacturing and engineering show in the UK. We have the biggest community, the biggest number of people turning up at our show. Why wouldn't you want to be part of it?
All of the right people attend MACH who are the decision makers in the industry, and really it just gives us a chance to show off all our latest technology that we've been developing.
We at FANUC really see the benefit of exhibiting live and in person. We might say, actually, we've got something better or more suited to you, and I don't think you can find that anywhere else.
Have a chat, have a look at what the machines do, have a look at what automation's all about, and just get everyone together.
So it's quite easy for our colleagues as well in Europe to come. Obviously we are in Birmingham, so the airport, really good located with the motorways, so yeah, it's a great location.
MACH enables exhibitors and visitors to engage with each other with simple technology, really easy engagement to get the information that you need to be able to have a successful event.
So visitor registration is now open. We're only a few months away from MACH opening its doors. It's really important. We'd really encourage people to pre-register. You'll get your badge in the post, so when you get to the exhibition you can walk straight in. But you'll also get an A to Z guide of all the exhibitors as well as a floor plan, so you can start planning your day.